Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad dan Haikal bin Muhammad Azali. My matrix number is B0920100084. Today, we will talk about Lab 5 Basic Logic Gate, Truth Table and Circuit Analysis. Today, I also will talk about the introduction of it. So, what is logic gate? Logic gate is the most basic type of digital circuit which consists of two or more input and one output. It has only two states, either 1 or 0. So, there are 7 types of logic gate which are not, and, none, or, nor, X, or, and X, nor. Let's see deeper to the logic gate. First logic gate is NOT gate. The NOT gate, the output is the inverse of the input. It means that if the input is 0, then the output must be 1. If the input A is 1, then the output must be 0. Next, OR gate. The output is 1 if any or all of the input are 1. It means that if the input has 1 on the either input, the output will become 1. Next, AND gate. The output is 1 only if all the input are 1. To get the output of 1, both of the input must have 1. For example, input A is 1, input B is 1, so the output must be 1. But if input A is 0 and input B is 1, therefore the output will be 0. Next, NOR gate. The output is 1 only if all of the input are 0. It means that if the all of the input is 0, then the output will become 1. But if there are 1 in the input, then the output will become 0. For example, input A is 1, input B is 0. Therefore, it will become 0. But if input A is 0 and input B is 0, then the output will become 1. Next is NAND gate. The output is 1 if any or all the input are 0. It's literally AND gate, but it was inverted. For example, if input A is 0 and input B is 0, then the output will become 1. Next, XOR gate. The output is 1 whenever the two input are at the opposite level. For example, input A is 1 and input B is 1, therefore the output is 0. But if the input is 1 and the input B is 0, the output will become 1. Next, 7. The last logic gate, XNOR gate. The output is 1 whenever the two input are at the same level. For example, input A 0 and input B 0, therefore the output will become 1. But if the input A is 0 and the input B is 1, the output will become 0. So this is the truth table for the logic gate overview is given. Next, I will talk about the IC component that available, which is 7408 IC, 7432 IC, 7404 IC, 7402 IC, and lastly 7400 IC. For the first one is 7408 IC is consists of 4 AND gate, and 7432 IC consists of 4 OR gate. Next, 7404 IC consists of 6 NOT gate, while 7402 IC consists of 4 NOR gate. And lastly, 74004 IC consists of 4 NAND gate. Next, I will let Hazim to explain about the experiment for part A and part B with the result and the discussion. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Azim bin Hussein and my matric number is B0920101003. Okay, I will discuss about the experiment A and B. There is my video that I construct the circle and get the result for the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, and NOR gate. Okay, in this slide, I already share the link for video. Okay, so we go see the AND gate. Okay, as we can see, for AND gate, if one input is 1 and another input is 0, the LED will not on. However, if the one input is 1 and one input also 1, the LED will on. Now we go to see the NOT gate first. For NOT gate, if the input is 1, the output will be 0 because the NOT gate will change the value. So the LED will on if the input is 0. It was changed. Okay, now we go to see OR gate. Okay, for OR gate, the LED will on if the input is 1 0 and 1 1. Either if the input is 0 0, the LED will not on. Okay, now we go through the NOR gate. For NOR gate is actually the OR gate, but the output value will inversely. Like if the input, the both input is 0, the output will be 1. Either if the input and input is 1, and one input is 1 and one input is 0, the LED will not on. It inverse. So the LED just on if the switch off. Switch off, that means the both input is 0. Okay, now we go to the AND gate. Okay, for the NAND gate is actually the AND gate, but the output value will inversely like the NOR gate. So when the both input is 0, the output for the NAND gate will be 1. That means the LED will on. However, the will be 0. Okay, so now we go through the part B logic gate. In part B, we have the NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate. Okay. So in part B, all the input was placed in the right. So when the input A is 0 and input B is 0, either input C and D is 1, the lamp is not on because the output is 0. Okay, for the value input A is 1 and C is 1, either B and D is 0, the lamp also not on because the output that produced is 0. And when the input for the A and input for the A, B, and C and D is 1, the lamp also not on because the output that produced is 0. So for the input that is 0 for A, B, C, and D, the lamp also not on. So based on the experiment, we can see result the output Q is 0 for all Q the value input. Okay, for this question, the question is asked about how many logic gates available in 7408 IC. So we have 4 logic gate is available in 7480 IC, which is 4 AND gate. Okay, for the question 2, the question asks for 7432 IC. If pin number 9 and 10 is used as input, what pin number used for output? Is the output produce the same result as in the table 5.1? Okay, our answer is the output pin for 7432 IC if pin number 9 and 10 is used as input. Then pin number 8 will be the output. The output produce the same as the result in table 5.1. Okay, for our conclusion, we are able to investigate the logic gate operation. Plus, we are able to use the Multizen software to detect the operation of the logic gates. And the last, we are able to become familiar with logic gate operation and circuit analysis. Okay, so just that from us. Thank you.